Hey everybody, Brian Waver with Acme Tools. Today we're here at Acme Equipment with Chris from Milwaukee, and believe it or not, we're talking tape measures. Now, the Milwaukee Stud has been out for quite a while. We've all seen it. If you haven't, keep watching. The nice thing about the Milwaukee Stud would be the durability of this tape, and I'm going to let Chris talk about that just a little bit.
So the new blade technology is actually called XO360, so it's the most durable blade on the market, but also what we're going to test today is we're going to test an 80-foot drop, making it the most durable tape on the market.
Yep, so we've all seen a lot of the tests where you can take your tape measure, bend it over. The nice thing with this Milwaukee tape, you can stand on it. I'm not saying that you're going to want to do this to your tape, but you can put a crease in it and it folds up. All right, so now what you're going to see with the competitors' tape measures is if you were to fold this over, step on it, we're going to end up with a couple pieces. I'll show you that. All right, so what we've got today is the JLG 1350 SJP Ultra Boom. This is a 135-foot diesel boom lift. We've got certified operator. Chris is certified to be in this equipment. They're both fully harnessed, ready to go. Trust us, we know what we're doing when it comes to these boom lifts. We've got Acme equipment on site, and we're getting ready to send them up. So when you're ready, we're gonna run this tape measure. I'm gonna let them know when they get to 80 feet, they're gonna stop. We're gonna clear out of the area, and we're gonna drop this tape. We're gonna come right back in, and I'm gonna grab the Milwaukee tape and show you the operation of it, and then we'll get them down. All right, here we go. Yep. Head them up. So right now we're 82 feet to the tape measure. We've got a little bit of slop in the tape, so that's why we're going up higher. I'm gonna have Chris drop the tape. We're gonna clear the area, and then we'll have our drop.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, so this Milwaukee tape just dropped 80 feet from the boom. The lock was on. Still works. Got a little bit of a split on the bottom. Not bad. The jackets got a little tear on the rubber, but other than that, survived an 80-foot drop. Well done, Milwaukee. All right, so now that you've seen this tape drop from 80 feet, we need to make a note of this, is that really it's very dangerous to have items falling off of lifts, scaffoldings, other pieces of equipment. So Milwaukee's come out with a solution to that, Chris, and what is that?
So we actually all have now tool lanyards for all tools ranging from hammer drills to hand tools, anything like that. So if you do happen to drop it, it's actually harnessed in and it won't fall.
All right, we want to thank Acme Equipment, we want to thank Milwaukee, and we want to thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and remember, always do your best work.